it for the Garmin Forerunner 910 XT to actually detect the GPS signal. So what I'm going to do is that I want to see how fast it will actually detect after about 5 minutes of switching off the Garmin GPS and activating it again. So this is actually considered as the hot start. So I'm going to enable it. Yes. Alright. So immediately you see it searching. Right. There you go. So it actually takes less than 10 seconds to actually detect the GPS signal at hot start. So basically from cold start it will take about a minute, and hot start will take about 10 seconds, which is fantastic because if you are a runner on the go,